Watch carefully. Reality hiccups right here. You're carrying a biological power pump inside your chest right now, and it's strong enough to shoot blood 30 feet across the room. Your heart isn't just a muscle, it's an engine of pure force. Each beat pumps blood through 60,000 miles of vessels, pushing it to every cell in your body. The pressure it generates inside your arteries is so powerful, scientists estimate it could literally spray blood up to 30 feet if it weren't contained. Every single day, that tiny organ beats over 100,000 times, pumping more than 2,000 gallons of blood. All of this happens automatically 24/7 without rest, pause, or recharge. Even when you're asleep, it's working harder than most machines ever could. It's your body's real MVP, and it never takes a day off.